Okay, so the people have a correction or objection to scoring of the guidelines?
Yes, Your Honor. OV19 should be scored at 10 for the resisting and obstructing. And that changes the total OVs to 21, the level to 2, and the range to 7 to 23.
Wait a minute, you said level 2, but it was a level 2 before. Isn't it a level 3 maybe?
Yes, I'm sorry about that.
Okay, so level 3, 7 to 23?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I've made those changes, and you had no objection to that, Mr. Petrovich?
That is correct.
Okay, and any other changes to the report for the people?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, and did the people wish to be heard?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Petrovich.
Yes, Your Honor. Understanding a lot of the contents of the report, we would be asking the court to follow the recommendation in this matter. It seems like Mr. Tuttle has unfortunately had a bad run in the past, and in discussing it with him, I think that he has unfortunately negative, though based upon his past, realistic perspective for how he would perform on probation in this matter. So I would ask that you follow the recommendation itself. I would state that in speaking to Mr. Tuttle, he does deny that in where it is recited in relation to case 20-336FH from Charles Looker, he indicated that there was $3,500 in cash in a backpack in there. Mr. Tuttle does deny that there was, in fact, that amount of cash in there. So we do request that this be set for restitution hearing with regards to that specifically. There is no challenge to the other aspects of restitution. So I'd ask that that be set, and otherwise for the court to follow the recommendation.
Okay. Did the people want to comment at all on that restitution issue, or no?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Okay, all right. And then you, Mr. Tuttle, was there anything you wanted to say?
I would like to say that I just want to accept responsibility for this whole situation, get it out the way. And also, as far as the ARNO, I'm still confused how I get charged for resisting and obstructing for having a seizure while being arrested, but it is what it is. Just want to get this over with, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Well, the report paints a very negative picture of you, Mr. Tuttle, including your desire to not even try to make any changes and not be on probation. I guess that's fine, and I will sentence you to 365 days in jail with credit for 172 days already served. You have to pay $130 to the Crime Victims Fund, $68 in state costs. I'm waiving any costs to the county, restitution in an amount to be determined, and no sheriff's tether release, and no earned early release. And Mr. Tuttle, you have the right to file an application for leave to appeal your conviction and your sentence in this matter. You're entitled to an attorney at public expense to assist you.
I never refused. I never refused treatment.
Please, I'm speaking. If you're making a request for one, you have to make it within 42 days of today's date. It will explain that more on the appellate rights form that we will send to you at the jail, and you use that form in order to institute an appeal. You should just be aware that the 42 days starts running from today's date, and you are all set. You can tell them at the jail that you're all done.